Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to find and copy your product affiliate link using Amazon Associates. Let's jump right in. First, start on your Amazon Associates dashboard. To find a product you want to promote, switch over to the regular Amazon.com shopping website. Make sure you're signed into the Amazon account connected to your Associates account. Once you're on Amazon, look at the top of the page for the Amazon Associates SiteStripe toolbar. This toolbar gives you quick access to affiliate linking tools. Now, use the regular Amazon search bar to find the product you want to promote. Open the product page and wait for it to load completely. Next, look at the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page. Under the Get Links section, click Text. A link window will appear with options for creating your affiliate link. If the short link option is available, select it and click Copy Affiliate Link. The link will then be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste the affiliate link into places where Amazon allows you to share it, such as your website, blog, or social media content. When someone uses your qualifying affiliate link and makes an eligible purchase, you may earn a commission according to the Amazon Associates program terms. And that's it. That's how you can find and copy a product link using Amazon Associates. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon guides. Thanks for watching.